Okay, y'all. So this is my not polished box. Sorry, hold on. Let me fix this is my not polished box of this year. I opened it already because I did a TikTok. But I'm kind of disappointed this year, and you guys will see why. Honestly, it's not bad. I just was hoping for more. They gave a lot of glitters and stuff this year, I feel like. Mylars. I'm not trying to show my address. It's the large box. They gave a lot of Mylars this year, and some of the stuff that they gave last year, I got if y'all remember, I did a video for my YouTube already. We got a medium box last year, and this year I decided to upgrade to the large and get the large, but I don't think I'm gonna do it next year. I'm not sure yet. I might probably would just dip and dabble into different brands or whatever, because this is the time when I really go and shop different brands. I got Kiara Sky's one. That video will be coming out soon, and I got Young Nails again. But a lot of other brands are starting to come out with mystery boxes, so I don't know if Not Polished don't step up their game. Everybody's gonna go to different brands. Oh my god, this shit was on all night. Oh, it's charging. Anyways, yeah. So they gave most of the stuff from last year. So let's just let's unbox it, whatever. First thing that I have that I see is these pigment powders. I got these last year and I didn't even use them. I touched it like this year. I just started figuring out how to use them. So yeah, I have these. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Okay, yeah. I got those. Then everybody got like the packs of tips in the bags, but I got the packs of tips in the box, so I'm kind of glad about this. But when I flipped it over, like 3 of these are empty. So yeah, I got these tips. Maybe they're just like in the opposite thing. I don't know. Maybe they fell out, but 3 of them is empty. I got these universal tips. I have the universal tips already, so I don't know. I don't really like them, but yeah, I got those. And then I got these long coffin tips. Again, flipped it over. Now it's only one that is empty, and the other one is like barely any inside. So I'm thinking, because they're moving, maybe they flipped out. I don't know. I don't think all of them is supposed to be full anyway. I don't think they have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's only supposed to be 9, but still, like, one is missing. So anyways, yeah. And then I got these. I forgot what these are called. But I got these. And I've been wanting to try these. That's why I kind of got Young Nails mystery box. But I got these in here. So I'm going to attempt to do these instead of the tips. And I got 500 pieces. That's a lot. So, yeah. We got these two. I'm trying to find some other pieces. Okay. We got 2 things of Louis Vuitton stickers. I just got into stickers. Like, I didn't know the girls was using these. That's why they came out so perfect. But I'm iffy about these. I kind of like these. I kind of don't. I didn't use the ones that I got last year. So, yeah, I have a whole bunch of stickers. And they gave me 2 of the same ones, too. So, yeah. This is one thing that I loved in this box. Like, some of these things I could have did without. But this, I really loved. This is the Bling It On box. I really like bling, so this was definitely a steal for me. I really like this. This is another thing that I really like, that I really wanted. This is the gel liner kit. It's a metallic one. Really like these. I really like this. And I have to check it because I didn't, like, I was watching somebody's TikTok and they said that one of theirs was dried out. So I'm gonna check it real quick right now.
But I'll speed it up in here. And this is good. Let's check the option. This is good. Okay, yeah, so we're good.
Another thing that I did get was their ombre brush, and I keep pushing it like that. Yeah. Another thing I got is their ombre brush. Don't really know how to use this, but we're gonna figure it out, hopefully. Another thing that I got is the French tip cutters. I don't use these really. I just freehand it because I don't got time and I really don't know how to use it. So yeah. Another thing that I got in here is a 16-ounce clear. You know, they gave everybody and their moms this clear 16-ounce. I mean, I'm not mad at it because honestly, I really like clear. I mean, you can use clear for anything. You can mix it with regular pigment powders, and make your own colors. This one I'm kind of mad at because they gave me Falling For You, and I don't really do clients right now. I don't really take clients right now, so this big thing of this one color is like, why would you give me this? They could have gave me like a nude or something. But I see they're giving everybody like colors, like the same colors. They gave me gem gel, which is good because I mean I got the Bling It On box, so I'm gonna need some gem gel. I already have the McCart one, which I really like, so we have to see about this one. They gave everybody these Mylar flakes. You know, they gave us this last year and gave us this year. We got yellow, purple, and we got green. I don't really like the glitters and stuff. I could have did without the glitters this year, but they gave everybody glitters. So I mean, I can't be the only special one. I can't be special, so yeah. They gave us red, they gave us blue, and they gave us orange. In acrylic powders, they gave us the same colors, you know. In some of the other videos, it's the same. My Allure clear and neon orange. This is a glow one. I mean, I could have did without the clear. They could have given me a different color, but I'm not a beggar because I paid for it. So I could be choosy of what I got. I mean, I can't really be choosy because, you know, it's a mystery box for a reason. But I just feel like they should have at least looked through it more. gave it a thorough look through. But I feel like they rushed it this year because they didn't even do like the mystery boxes on Black Friday. They did it like a whole week before. So yeah. Other acrylics that I got, Wink Baby, which I feel like they were just trying to get rid of. From the OMG collection, I got S03, which is this purple, and it has like chunky glitter in it. The OMG collection, which is also a glitter collection, this is like a lighter purple, and it has chunky glitter again. This one is All My Peaches. This is from the OG collection, which is I feel like their starter, what they started with. And this is like a peach color, and it has glitter in it. Tuscan Sun, which is a glitter glitter. It looks like a gold with glitter. And then Silver Star, which is a silver color with silver glitter. They gave me so much glitter. I hate glitter. That's one thing, like, my people, the clients that come to me, they don't come for the glitter acrylic. That's crazy. They gave us a whole bunch of gel polishes this year, which, I mean, I could have did without because I have like a whole bunch of gel that I don't really use like that. I got this one, which is called Babe Alert. This is M43. I also got M104, which is Yellow Mamba, which spilled, obviously. That's what I'm smelling. I'm smelling the gel, but I didn't even realize. All Nighter, which is M128, which is this nice blue. I got Fall for Bronze, M64. Then I got Autumn Leaf, which is M67. I also got Water My Melons, which is M98, which I see on a lot of people got these colors exactly in the same exact thing. I'm about to take this one out to clean it. But yeah, not polished next year is not a go. I'm not doing this next year. Like, I usually wait till their mystery boxes, because last year I got some good stuff, you know, because I never had not polished like actual acrylics and stuff, and their acrylics are good. It's just I'll just pay, like, use the 25 discount and pay for my own stuff, because half of this I'm not going to use. I could already see like the glitter acrylics are just going to waste, because I get younger people, and the younger people, they don't really go for the glitter acrylics. I have other lacquers and gel polishes. I have Ruby Sand, which is this is OG 161, which looks like this. I also got 160, which looks like this. I have Role Play, which is 195. I have 107. It looks like a white, which I'll probably use this the most out of all of these. I also have 157. This is like a pink with glitter in it. You're not gonna see it. Oh, you could kind of see it. And then 159, which just looks like a kind of off-white. So those, like the whites, I'll probably use the most. And then the last thing I got is the dip. Y'all know the infamous dip kit that they give everybody. All of the dip. Every single one of the dip. Oh, wait. All of the dip things. Which I'm going to try the dip, so I'm not even mad at it. And then they gave me a Blossom. A blooming gel. I call it Blossom gel. And the ombre gel. So all in all, that's everything that I got in here. Which, I mean, for $300, I could see where the money went. I just wish they would have picked better stuff. Yes. I wish they would have picked better stuff. I probably would have, I wanted the neutralizer. I didn't really want the lamp like that because I have a lamp. The neutralizer, better acrylics. I could have kept the gem gel, I would have probably kept the long coffin tips. The 16-ounce clear acrylic, one of the stickers, and the gel liner kit. Everything else I could have did without. Yeah. Everything else I could have did without. But yeah, that's all for the not polish unboxing.